Hey nerds, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty, and I've been telling you about different offers and how to complete them on Swagbucks, but today we're actually going to tell you how to do that. And if you haven't heard of Swagbucks before, it's a popular rewards program that pays you for doing things you already do online, like shopping, playing games, answering surveys. So let's get into it and take a look over here. First of all, let's take a quick look at the Swagbucks website. So signing up is super easy and free. You just need to provide your email address and create a password. The best way to sign up is to use my referral link in the description below, and you can get your first $3 just for signing up. Once you signed up, you'll land on the Swagbucks dashboard. Here you can see various ways to earn Swagbucks, also known as SB. So you can earn SB by taking surveys under the Answer tab. You can shop online. You can submit receipts for stores that you have been to in person. There are some Discover offers, or my personal favorite, completing gaming offers. So clicking on the play button up there, and you can see some offers that I have been dabbling in and working on. Some videos for some of these will be coming soon. Some of them we're gonna just push to the side because I'm not completing them. So one thing I do want to note before you dive fully into starting these offers is that you will need a working phone number, and you will need to verify that with Swagbucks. It cannot be a phone number that's generated by a texting app. It has to be an actual phone number from a verified phone provider. So you'll need a SIM card or something like that to have your phone number. You'll need to be able to receive text messages. But let's go ahead and take a look at this offers page. As you can see, there's a lot of different offers on here. I mostly use the PC website to look at offers, but I never download anything straight from here. You can text it to your phone, but I usually just do it straight through the app, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But if you look here, you can sort the games based on what you're looking for. If you're into card games, you can look at those. If you're into role-playing games, you can sort it by that. You can even sort it by, sorry, the highest rewarded games that can earn you the most. For some reason, you can sort it low to high. But let's take a look at the phone app, and this is how I complete all of my offers. All right, so here I am on the Android app. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the play button down here, and I'll show you the iPhone in a little bit after this on how to do it because it is a little bit different. But I'm just going to come to my phone. If I have found a game that I like, then I'll sort of go this way. But I'm just going to download one of these games that I'm not likely to do. So let's try this one. So what I do, I'm going to hit this Get Now button, and it's going to take me through to the Google Play Store. It's very important that you go through the app when you are installing these games. So I'm going to hit install here. Let that download. If there is a pop-up that asks if you want to allow this app to track or not track, always hit allow. This is how the app knows to send information back to Swagbucks, and that helps a lot with tracking. If you don't hit that, then it's likely that you're not gonna track. Okay, let's just put this over here. And there we go. I have downloaded this game. And so from here, before I do anything, okay, and so from there, I'm actually going to come back to Swagbucks and check to make sure my offer is tracking. So look, right there, it has the green check mark next to install, so I would feel free to continue playing this game. I think it's very important to always check this. Don't download a game, spend 3 hours playing it, and realize that it's not tracking. That's just not worth it. Okay, so here's the iOS app on my iPhone. This is an older iPhone. I don't use it so much anymore. But it's nice to, some offers are iOS only and Android only, so it's nice to have the option on either or. So iPhone is very similar to Android. You're going to come down here and hit the play button, but you actually have to open a Safari link to look at the rest of the games. So you're going to open them from a browser. And again, you can see the games. It's a little bit of a different setup now, but that's just iOS versus Android. But I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go, let's click this one. So, ooh, that's a lot of requirements for a 71 SB offer. But I'm going to click Get Now. If this pop-up pops up, I'm going to click Allow, but I'm going to go ahead and get the game. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'll download. All right, and we'll wait for that to download, and I'll click in there a little bit and we'll see if it tracks. No notifications, allow. Oh, I've gotten ads for this before. Cool, I've done a little bit, so let's go over and see if this has tracked. And there you have it. Install complete. I can continue playing if I want to complete this offer. But there it is. And so looking at my activity ledger here, you can see since I've started using Swagbucks back in December last year, I've earned a total of 23,744 Swagbucks from just playing games on my phone. There's a little bit that's pending, but I think it's a great way to earn a little bit of extra cash while you're watching TV in your spare time, whether you're completing offers, playing games, doing surveys. This is a great way to earn. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and happy earning!